I'm sure you'd like to know how to get lots of eye-catching and thought-provoking images for your viral content. Now, along with this video tutorial, I've included a downloadable list of resources because I can't show you them all. I'm only going to show you a few of them and how to use them, but there are many resources on the internet where you can get some great images. Now, this one here is probably one of the biggest. It's called morguefile.com, and in fact they have over 300,000 free images that you can download and use immediately. And the best way to use this site is to type in up here in the search bar, type in what you're looking for. But if you're not sure what you're looking for, you can sort here by popular, recent, last downloaded, and most downloads. This is currently sorted by popular, that's the default search. And if we just scroll down and have a look at some of these, you can see that there are some really amazing images here. Some really thought-provoking and engaging images. And of course you could make any of these into a quote image simply by following the instructions in a previous lecture and uploading one of these images as the background. But if we want to search for something, we just type it in here. So let's say we were going to search for puppets. And it's going to bring back all the images that are of puppets or related to puppets. So let's say we want one of these images. Let's say we want this one. Just click on it, let it load, and then simply click here to download image. Now you can share directly on Facebook as well if you wish to. So if you wanted to do that, you just click here on the Facebook icon, and then we choose here to share on a page you manage. So we select that and we select our page, then we type something in here, something we're going to say about the image, and then we click on share link. Now if you do it that way, rather than downloading the image and then posting it onto Facebook afterwards, you are going to have this posted as well on Facebook below the image. You may not want that. You may prefer to download the image and upload it to Facebook as part of a post. So that's how you use morguefile.com. So make sure you come along here when you're looking for some attractive and compelling images for your viral content. Now this next place here is also huge. In fact, it's even bigger than Morguefile. It's called freeimages.com. Again, has over 300,000, in fact close to 400,000 free photos and illustrations. Now all the images on this website come from amateur photographers. And if you scroll down, you can sort by category. So you can click on any of these categories here. So find one that relates to the niche of your Facebook page, or you can type in here and search. So let's try puppet again. It's telling me I've got 201 free photos. Now once we do the search and we arrive on the page, we need to click here on free files, because otherwise we're going to be looking at paid images as well as free. And now it's going to give us the 201 free files, so the 7 pages. So we can scroll down, have a look through, take any of these images we want. So if I wanted this one, I just click on it. It tells me a little bit here about the image, about the photographer, and I can either click here to download it right away, or if I prefer, I can click here and add it to favorites for later, so I can build up a little collection of images that I want to use either now or in the future. Now you want to ignore all these over here on the right, because these are all premium images and they're all paid images, so you would have to pay for these. So that's freeimages.com. Another place that you really should come along to when you're looking for images. Now this website here, bigphoto.com, is okay, but it's good for finding backgrounds. So if you're looking for a background for a particular image, or a quote photo or quote image that you're going to make. So if you scroll down here, you'll see that they have a lot of different textured backgrounds. Now they do have other images as well, and you can sort by country and you can sort by themes, but they don't have a huge amount. They don't have anything like the amount that you'll find on Morguefiles or over here on freeimages.com. So that's bigphoto.com. Now another one you can come along to is freephotosbank.com. And what you can do here is you can click on the hot list. Now the hot list is going to show you the most popular free photos. So photos with the highest ratings and photos with the most views. Now if we look at this one here, now this one has had nearly 30,000 downloads and it has a rating of 4.5 out of 5, so it's got a high rating as well. It's been viewed 60,000 times. Now if you want to download this image, what you do is you come down here where it says download free photo. You have the option to download it as a JPEG or download as a zip file. And you want to ignore these photos over here and these images over here because this is all advertising and these are paid images. Now if you want to search by category, click here on quick navigation and select a category. You can also find backgrounds and patterns here. So here you've got also 8 pages of backgrounds. So that's freephotosbank.com. So I've now just shown you 4 places, and those 4 places alone will be enough to get you an unlimited amount of images.